27 Golf, you can taxi runway 12 via Alpha. You're allowed to do pattern. I don't believe you're supposed to leave the local area, though, without ADS-B working.
All right, well, it happened last week. Supposedly it was fixed, but so it goes. Thank you. We'll taxi 12 via Alpha.
What's up, YouTube? Pilot Trav here with V-Speeds Aviation, and yes, I am back, baby. I am back. The plane is out of its annual. Yes, 2 months. 2 months I have not flown, and I took her up today, flew her out to over Six Flags and over the mountains. So basically I had a bad 5th cylinder. The 5-cylinder was bad. I had to take that off and get replaced. But the reason it took so long was because I don't have a hangar, and my plane is exposed to the weather, right? We got all that rain. You can't open up the engine and have all that rain, you know. You get rust in the engine and all that stuff. So I had to keep waiting and waiting and waiting. And finally, when it was done, then we just got high winds. Then we got cold weather. Just all this just took time out of fixing the plane. But today, it is done. I flew it, and it was great. I didn't set my setup up because I just jumped in the plane and, you know, went and tested it, ran it high, ran the mixture really rich to get, we put mineral oil in the cylinder, so in the engine, so you got to burn that off. So I ran the engine really high, but great. It was amazing. It felt so good. 2 months, and I greased my landing. It was butter, baby. But I am excited to get back up in the air. I am excited to start making my content again for you guys. V-Speeds Aviation is going to be doing big things this year, so look out for us. And I'm just excited for what's about to happen now. The plane ran really good. Everything ran really good. So, hey, keep checking out the videos. Keep checking out the content. You know, you can hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notifications on you so you can know when I do post. And, yeah, man, comment, like, subscribe. Ask me questions. If you want to see specific things, you want to hear specific things, sometimes I might even go live. But, man, it's just really good to just be back. I feel like myself again, and I love flying. As you can see, I love flying. I love doing this. But that's all I got today. I hope you have a great time watching my content, and you already know what it is. I'll see you in the skies.